So we are hoping that this is our first annual, and we want to make this a yearly event for the club. We've put in a lot of footwork this year specifically, getting people interested, being radio, talking to stores, and we're hoping that the club is run by students. So hopefully next year and years coming, they keep putting this event up, and they keep getting involved with the community.
Dude, with that beard, you're gonna have some craft beer there for you. Definitely has a craft beer beard.
Unfortunately, they're looking no alcohol there, but there will be snacks.
In the trunk of your car, I'm sure there's a couple of cases of craft beer.
Trying to get people in trouble. That's what Johnny does. I apologize for it.
No, I'm trying to get free beer. That's all I care about. Anyway, how can people get a hold of you? How can people read more about this?
So the best way to get information about this is to go to our Facebook, which is facebook.com/mockcomptechclub, or you can email us at mockcomptechclub@mcc.edu.
MockComp, short for computer, COMP, right?
Correct.
Tech Club.
Correct.
All right, very
If
good.
you want to have a tweet, is that a thing?
Yes, so
That's my question. Can people still get signed up for a table?
yes, they can. So we have had several pre-registered, and they have tables guaranteed. But the day of the event, we will be taking registration. We will have vendors agreements there, and it's $20 to get a table, and it gets you one 8x4 table with 2 chairs.
Oh, wow.
Okay, good.
Look at that. Johnny, you should...
I need an 8x4 table. I can take it home, right?
Johnny, you got a ton of records.
I do, actually. I wonder if those would sell there. Vinyl.
Well, we are doing all things geek related, and I know a lot of geeks do listen to vinyl, so...
I do.
All right, well, listen, Tyler Rhodes is his name for those of you who are tech. You probably know him, but he is the guy that's in charge. He's the president of the Computer Tech Club. He's the big president of the Geeks for the Geek to Geek sale. Great opportunity for you to pick up on action figures, collectibles, video games, consoles, posters, comic books, trading cards, board games, electronics, all kinds of geek stuff this weekend at my Community College Event Center on East Court Street in Flint. Thanks for being right next to the library. Thanks for stopping by here.
Absolutely, I really appreciate you having us here, and all these proceeds go to help the club and the club members, and just trying to make sure that a lot of students are doing better for themselves through this club. So thank you very much.
You need to go to craft beer.
No, not the
Fox Morning Show with Johnny Burt and Amy coming up.
Johnny, that is the after party.
That's right. I'll be there.
After party.
I'm kind of a geek myself, so I'm a geek, so...
Your Fox Insider will be on the way. Metallica is canceling some plans. We'll let you know what we know. And Bon Jovi is taking cues from JFK. We will explain. It's next on 103.9 Fox. 103.9
Fox.
Vehicle City traffic.
Biggest problem remains the overturned semi that's blocked 3 lanes of southbound 75. This is just past Dixie Highway around mile marker 144, so it's definitely slow going through there. We heard from another traffic digiter further north on southbound 75, right around M46, a crash there that has certainly affected traffic and turned that into a slow go spot. We have surface street crashes. Grand Blanc Township is one of them, in 11,000 block of Ford Ridge Drive, and another in Bedford Township, which is at the 9100 block of Lewis Road. Back onto the freeway we go for one more problem. This is going to be in Flint Township, the ramp from northbound 75 to westbound 69.
Additional details. Despite ice, Carver Cross Saginaw Bay river levels at the Sexville will rise to over 60 inches above low water level Chatham. Residents on or near the shore should take appropriate action to protect property from rising water levels. This is a winter weather message for the following counties in Michigan, Genesee, Huron, Lapeer, Sanilac, Shiawassee, St. Clair, and Tuscola. Winter weather advisory now in effect until midnight tonight. Wet, light snow this morning will be moderate during midday and continue into the evening. Total accumulation of 3 to 4 inches. Impacts, snow-covered roads, especially this afternoon. Snow will be heaviest immediately prior to entering the evening commute. Gusty northerly winds may cause localized areas of blowing snow in rural and open areas. This is a winter weather message for the following counties in Michigan: Lenawee, Livingston, Macomb, Monroe, Oakland, Washington, and Wayne. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until midnight tonight. Wet, snow. Additional snow accumulations of 2 to 4 inches. Impacts, plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. This is NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Station KIH 29 in Cloud. The station broadcasts from the National Weather service in White Lake at a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Here is the forecast for the Saginaw Valley. Early this morning, snow likely. Accumulations up to half an inch. North winds around 15 miles per hour. Chance of snow of 70%. Today, snow. Accumulations 2 to 3 inches. Near steady temperature in the upper 20s. North winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Tonight, snow in the evening. Accumulations up to half an inch. Lows in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. And now the forecast for Flint and vicinity. Winter weather advisory in effect until midnight tonight. Early this morning, snow. Accumulations less than an inch. North winds around 15 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Today, snow. Accumulations 2 to 3 inches. Near steady temperature in the upper 20s. North winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. Tonight, snow in the evening. Accumulations around an inch. Lows in the lower 20s. Northwest winds 15 to 20 miles per hour. Chance of snow near 100%. And now the remainder of the 7-day forecast for the listening area. Thursday, breezy. Cloudy with a 30% chance of snow showers. Highs in the mid-20s. West winds 15 to 25 miles per hour. Thursday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 16. West winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Friday, partly sunny. Highs in the upper 20s. West winds 10 to 20 miles per hour. Friday night, mostly cloudy in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 16.
Hey, now that bunch of stupid kids making a mess, so don't do that. Don't shovel snow for you. You might end up like me on radio. No one wants that. Going nowhere, kid. All right, we do have 3 out of 5. It's our contest where we have 5 questions. You get 3 out of 5 right, and you win. And today, up for grabs, we've got a gift card from Aubrey's Pizzeria Grill and a pair of tickets to see the Wild Women of Winedale. Should be a fun show at the Brighton Coffee House and Theater. Shows begin March 6th and run through the 22nd on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They always sell out, so we're going to give you a chance to win a pair of tickets to that and a little bit of eats on this. Let's start with caller 5-517-546. 993.5 to play. 3 out of 5 ain't bad. 517-546. 993.5 to get you updated on the road. Still that accident westbound I-96, blocking the left lane at Milford Road. Authorities on the scene there, so use caution. Also northbound US 23. 3 various accidents. We do have police on the scene of all. One at Clyde, one at north of Center, and the other White Lake Road. So use caution there. That's northbound 23, Clyde, Center, and White Lake Road, the scene of those accidents. Police on the scene. If you can give us more details on those issues or any others, toll-free traffic tip number 800-935-TIPS. Yeah, Verizon Wireless Service, pound 0935.
Hey, it's John King from Mike and John in the Morning, and I'm talking with John Boyle from Lakeside Heating and Cooling. You know, I think we all have that room in our house that just never quite gets warm enough. How do you deal with that?
One of the most common complaints that we get is actually comfort related. So it's a bedroom that's too cold that the baby sleeps in, or it's a basement that's too cold all through the wintertime and you can't figure it out. There's a lot of ways that you can fix that, whether it's just correcting the ductwork, or there are systems that you can add that allow you to put more than one thermostat on your system so that you can independently control separate temperature zones.
And I think your work speaks for itself. You guys were the first ever People's Choice Award for HVAC in Livingston County.
Yeah, that was a real surprise, and we're incredibly flattered for that award.
All right, well, awesome. Hey, it's been great talking with you. And again, you know, with winter months upon us and then indoor air quality is such an important thing for us to keep in mind. People should just give you guys a call at Lakeside Heating and Cooling. How can they do that?
You can reach us at our website, lakesideservice.com, or you can call us 24/7 at 810-227-2719.
Exciting things are happening at Brighton Ford. Hi, I'm John Cuter. Brighton Ford continues to deliver excellent options for our customers, making it quick, convenient, and hassle-free to get your new Ford car or truck. Brighton Ford will make certain that you get the exact new Ford you want with all available incentives. Brighton Ford will deliver your new Ford to your home or office. Special delivery.